Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, September 27, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, close enough moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. H pattern, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to see how this price reacts to the 490.25. If we can't get above it, we're going to pull profits.
Order fill.
And there's $1.25, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, September 27, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. H pattern, 555, moving average bounce, slingshot. Impulse, correct, and I expect the impulse to go up to roughly around $1. It might fail a little bit after $1, but here, come on now. Let's turn this down so everybody can see properly. All right, there we go. So if we don't get past the 489.50-ish area, if it gets up to that dollar, goes a little bit past it, we'll just close out.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to wait almost to 10.29. We want to see how the price reacts to the 489.50 since we jumped the 489.25 area. So if we get little to no follow through at the 489.50-ish area, we'll just pull profits at that point.
Order fill.
And there's $1.10, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, September 27, 2024, and we are going up for the third and final time with QQQ. H pattern, oscillator agreement. H pattern, close enough moving average bounce, lightning. H pattern, retesting point of control, close enough slingshot. If the price holds at the 200, we're expecting it to explode to the 21 and it might go higher. Again, we're going to pay attention and play it bar by bar because we might run all the way back up to that 489.50 again and just completely fail. So as always, we're going to play it bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. Here soon, if we can't really get much follow through past the 489.25 area, we're just going to take our profits and close out for the day.
Order fill.
And there's a little bit better than $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. So 3 trades, almost every one of them got a little bit better than $1. Nothing to really write home about, but as always, never forget, be a pro.